Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video of cloud computing, where today we are performing experiment number 7 based on Kubernetes. So what is Kubernetes? Kubernetes is the container orchestration platform, which is used to deploy and scale the app containers. In this experiment, we have to deploy a stateless and stateful app. Basically, a stateless app is the app that doesn't need any memory. On opposite to that, the stateless app requires a persistent memory storage. So, let's start with our experiments part A, where we have to install Minikube software that will allow us to create a local cluster in our PC. For that, click this link that will redirect us to the official website of Minikube. You will get this link in description below. I have already downloaded it, so I will not downloading it again. After downloading, we open our command prompt terminal and enter Minikube start command. That will create a local cluster on our PC. After that, we run kubectl get nodes command to check the status of created cluster. If the status is showing ready, we are good to go. As our cluster is created, let's move to the next part of experiment. That is deploying stateful application. For that, we are using a lightweight web server and Nginx. For that, we will use command kubecontrol create deployment Nginx. Web image equals Nginx. It will create a deployment object. After deploying, as we said earlier, we are using Kubernetes for scaling. So now we are going to scale this by creating 3 more replica of our deployment. For that, we use command kubecontrol scale deployment Nginx web replicas equals 3. This will create 3 Nginx pods. And then we use command kubecontrol get pods to check the created pod status. If we want to access this service outside our cluster, we have to use command kubecontrol expose deployment Nginx dash web type equals node port equals 80. After exposing our service outside our cluster, to access it, we will use command minikube service Nginx dash web. This will redirect us to the web page, ensuring that we have successfully deployed a stateless app. The next part of our experiment is we have to deploy a stateful application. For that, we can use any database here. We are using MySQL. In stateful app, as we said earlier, it requires a persistent volume. For creating a persistent volume first, we have to create a file with YAML extension. Making sure that we will save that file in the same directory where we are currently working with. After saving the file, run command kubecontrol apply -fpv.yaml. This will create a persistent volume. After that, we have to request some storage from persistent volume. For that, we create another file with name pvc.yaml, and then we will use command kubecontrol apply -fpvc.yaml. Finally, we have to deploy a StatefulSet for that. We create our third file as mysql.yaml. After creating this file, in our terminal, we use command kubecontrol get pods to verify stateful pods and confirm that MySQL is running. Here, we deployed our stateful application. Thank you for watching this video. Hit that like button and smash that subscribe button.